Hey friends, a lot of users wish to know about Windows 11 network and internet adapter options and settings. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the network and internet tab and we have options here which are lesser than earlier after the newer updates. So we can manage the Wi-Fi network through the first option in which we have the Wi-Fi switch, we have the Wi-Fi properties, and then we have available networks to which we can connect or we can forget. Okay, and then other than this we have the option to manage known networks in which we can forget and remove them. For example, I can forget this network. And then we have hardware properties as well, which will tell us the details of the network adapter. And lastly, we have random hardware addresses which would be of less of use to you. So these are the main options in the network and internet settings on your Windows 11 computer. These are lesser than the ones that you had on Windows 10. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.